Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix 8-ball pool crashing issues. If you are facing 8-ball pool crashing issues, then this is the video for you. And watch till the end. I will show you easy and simple steps to fix the problem. The first step is checking your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again. Or you also can switch to mobile data. If that's not okay, then turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. And the second step is restart the phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. So the another step is app update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the looking app and click on app update if it is available. So the another step is clearing app cache. Clearing app cache can fix the many problems. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. Go to your phone setting and tap on apps or app management. Click app list or apps, then search for the app and go to storage and cache. Click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, install the app again from Play Store or App Store. And by doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.